recording. Burning Cheetos. Even in the winter and a sunny day, you can burn Cheetos because of the sun. Barbecue.
Yeah, now do it.
Yeah, I'm recording a long time. Look at that red fire.
And it's very cool. It's very cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna go a little closer. Now let me zoom out a little bit.
Even the camerographer is shaking of how cold it is.
It's cold.
Thanks to fossil.
I showed my breath. Arr. Yeah, it's cold. You see all that fire?
Oh,
that's
it's
so
on
cold.
fire.
Yeah, it's like a bonfire.
Yeah, and now it's gonna be there for a long time.
Let me show you how cold it is again.
Stop. Look, even the chicken, they're not even moving because it's cold.
The chicken back there, we have chicken. You see that white one in the back? No, why are you gonna burn it more?
No, it doesn't even need it. Oops.
You wanna eat that now? You wanna eat those Cheetos?
Yeah, that's gonna be some really crunchy Cheetos.
Bonfire. Let me get close. Oh, it's cold. Oh, yeah, that feels good. That feels good.
Where are the marshmallows at?
Where are the marshmallows? Oh, that feels so good. It's about to be winter. Oh, I can feel my hand. Feels so good. Now let me change. Oh, that feels good. You don't need gloves when you have Cheetos. And magnifying glass.
You don't need a gas when you have a magnifying glass. Or you don't need a lighter. Or matches.
Or charcoal. Look at my breath.
Charcoal lighter. And now it's going to be burning for a while.
Yeah, if you're bored, you can like my page. Now I don't have anything. At ricardooliveros.org or whatever. Yeah, just show the chickens for a second. They're back there in New York with chickens. Back to the fire. Oh, you see that oil that's on the side?
Yeah, that's from the Cheetos. That's the little bit of oil that they put in Cheetos. A little bit of petroleum.
Look at that oil on the side. Oh, the camera's a little cloudy with the fire.
Okay, stop it now. Because then you might record too much.
Yeah.
And then it's going.
Bye, fans.
It's not going to save.
All right.